All the 3 classes I'll be taking, so no need to wish again. Okay. We love our school. See that? See a lot of children from different parts of India. See there how they are standing. They are ready to come to school. Now you come to school to play, learn, and grow together. See, now you are missing that school life children. You are at home and you are not playing with your friends and all that. Understood? Now you love to play, learn, and grow together. That means only when you go to school you can do that. Now, see all the children in uniform, especially students wear uniform to school. Only on their birthday, primary class children 1 to 4 or 1 to 5 like that, they'll wear colored dress. Okay, now school, they permit you to wear till 10, I think so. Okay, not higher class, but it's always nice because once in a year you can wear colored dress, enjoy with your friends and celebrate your birthday. And see how happy the children are. Now, you just see what are the things they do in school. First girl, look at the picture and observe. First girl is just on the laptop. Sometimes, see now, so soon you will be able to use all the laptops in your school. Now, see, when you go to computer lab, you use. Now, see here, see the second girl, she's doing some artwork, drawing. Third one, acting like a teacher and student over there. The next one, all this, they're enjoying their life in. And see the lab, see the library, they sit together and read. And music lab, even in the band. Understood? See, they join in the band and they learn things there. The band master will. And in school, you'll have a small area like this. Especially first and second standard children, we always used to take them to that nursery block where they can play. Okay, now take out your pencil. Now I'll take attendance towards the end of the lesson. Okay. Now take out your pencil. You have to read. The other day I made you all read. I'll just read once because we have to do the exercise behind. Off to school, off to school.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Now wait. Let me know who's this child. Don't get scared. Who?
Naren, ma'am.
Naren. You must come before 9, Naren, okay? Page number 19. That means you haven't read the poem at all. We finished reading this in class. Page number 19, you take Naren. Try to come early. Okay. Now you just listen to me. I'll read the whole poem, then I'll make you read. Off to school, off to school. To read and write and play. You must read like this. To learn new things each day. Full stop. Must not say full stop. I'm telling you how to read. Here is school. Here is school. Pencils and crayons, scissors and glue, erasers and paper, and notebooks too. We love our school. We love our school. We write, we sing, we run. Lovely to have such fun. We finish reading this. Now I will call one by one. Only 5 children I will call today to read this. Okay. Now I want to see when I call your name. Sorry. When I call your name, you must turn off your. Sorry, 1 minute. Turn on your camera only when I call your name. I want Adonia. Adonia. Turn on your camera, Adonia. Akshara, Effie, Fatima, Joshika. These children must turn on your camera. Adonia, are you there? Yes, who's this? Let me see. Yes, Akshara. Good Akshara. What about Adonia? Effie, Fatima, Joshika. Yes, Effie. Good. What about others? Come soon. Yes.
Ma'am, Adonia is getting ready, ma'am. In 2 minutes, she'll come.
What happened, ma'am? Please see that she must come early. Okay, never mind. Okay, ma'am. Fatima Joshika. Fatima Joshika. Come, Adonia. Fatima, not there. Then I will call somebody else. Joshika's not there. Kanira also is not there. Kanira. Kailina.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, no need to wish. Good morning, ma. Good morning.
Adonia.
Now turn on your.
Yes, ma'am.
I will call once. Please listen to me. Adonia, Akshara, Effie, Fatima, Joshika, Kanira, Kailina. These children must turn on your mic. Now I'm going to Effie. Can you see the screen over there? And you have your book too. Somebody stop
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
If you just read the first 4 lines of the poem.
Ma'am, Adonia
First
is
4
here, ma'am.
Okay, never mind. Let it be. I will call.
Off to school. Off to school to read and write and play. To learn new things each day.
Very good. Now, wait. Now, Kanira, read the next 4 lines. Kanira,
To read.
Here is school.
Here is school. Here is school. Pencils and crayons, scissors and glue, erasers and paper and notebook too.
Very good. Akshara, read the 3rd paragraph. We love.
O-F.
No. Kailina, please keep quiet, Kailina. No, Akshara. We love our school. Akshara. Yes. School. Akshara, see in your textbook and read. We love our school. Akshara, I'll give you a chance, okay, afterwards. Kailina, you read paragraph. Akshara, you have to see when I read. Kailina.
Yes, ma'am.
Kailina, please listen to me. Kailina, without screaming, please. Kailina, take the 3rd paragraph. We love our school. Effie, turn off your camera, ma. Kailina, please turn on your camera. I cannot see you. Kailina, I want to see your face. Only your phone is on. Okay, now leave. No. Kailina,
Off to
yes.
school.
Yes. Now, Kailina, 3rd paragraph. First 2, they finish reading. We love our school. Read. Don't look here and there. We love our school. Last one.
We love.
School. Kailina, look into your book and read. We love our
We love
school.
We
Yes.
love our school.
We write.
We love our school.
We write. Read. Continue. We write. What's wrong with you? Yes, read after me. We write.
We write.
Sing. Excuse me, Kailina's parents. See that the child reads in house. Yeah. Please read.
We write.
1 minute, ma. You don't read. You just listen to ma'am.
We write.
She's not listening.
We run.
We write. We write. Kailina, take out your pencil.
We write. We sing.
We run.
We run.
Lovely.
I know.
Lovely. Read L-O-V-E. To have such fun. To have. Kailina, you have to listen to me when you are in class, please. Lovely. 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 The problem is parents are whispering to our ears. Wait, parents, I will teach. To have. To. T-O-2. T-O-2. Say T-O-2. Such. S-U-C. Such fun. Kayalina, tomorrow I'll make you read the whole poem, okay, when you come to English class, okay? Just read. Okay, turn off your camera. Turn off. Joshika, are you there, Joshika? 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 No. Okay, now we'll come. Please turn off your camera, Kayalina. Now come back. Now, off to school, you finish. You just listen to me, okay? Don't read. Off to school, to read and write and play. You have to learn like this, to learn new things each day. Here is school. Pencils and crayons, scissors and glue, erasers and paper, eraser. Don't say eraser. Eraser, that is rubber. Don't use rubber hereafter. Don't use that word. Erasers and paper and notebooks too. You must have. We love our school. We write, we sing, we run. Lovely to have such fun. Now, children, you just learn the first 4 lines, okay? First day. Second 4 lines like that. And you can have a drawing in your home study. Please listen. In your home study, those who joined late, page number 19. Okay, now you can turn page number 20. Page number 20. Now, unless you know this poem, you won't be knowing the answers, okay? Now, 1 minute. Enjoy the poem. That means you must read every day 5 minutes the poem and learn it. Write T. You have to write T for true and F for false for each sentence. Now, those who have seen, I hope all would have seen, listen to me. Enjoy the poem is written. Next to that, you write today's date. Now, Kanira, can you tell me today's date? Kanira, today's date? Okay, I'll just tell you, Kanira.
Ma'am, 10, ma'am.
You just write 10-8. Don't write anything. 10, one small hyphen, 8. Everybody, because we must know when you finish the work. Now, question number A. I'm going to call one by one. I want Joshika, Mary, are you there? Joshika? No. Misty, good morning, Misty.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine,
Okay,
ma'am.
did you take page number 20?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, write T for true and F for false. Okay, Misty? Now, first one is already done. Read the first one, Misty.
The
Yeah. Children
are
going
to the
park.
place.
Is it true or false?
False.
Where they are going? Where are they going, these children? They are going to?
Park.
No, that's wrong. In this poem, where are they going? Yes, Misty, they're going to
Place.
school. You're not listening, Misty. Off to school, they're going. Okay, thank you, Misty. Next one is Mitra, yes. Read the second one. Mitra, good morning, Mitra. Good morning. Read the second sentence. The children, I know you will read.
Children write and play in school.
Very good. Is it true or false?
True.
Yes, put T there. Don't write true. It's only T for true. Now, next. Yes, thank you. Next one. Yes. Kevin, what do you want? Kevin joined now, I saw. What happened, Kevin?
Ma'am, I take page number 20,
Yeah.
but there is another picture for that.
Picture and what happened? Your book is different.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry about it, okay? You just inform in the office you got a different book, okay? You just try to see whether you have this page somewhere else. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, ma. Next one, next person is Samantha, sweetie. Samantha, are you there? Samantha?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Read third one, Samantha. Third one you read. No, the children. Read after me. Learn
New things
things.
each day.
Yes, sir. Is it true or false?
True.
Very good, Samantha. Very good. How are you, Samantha? Are you all right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Adonia, thank you, ma. Adonia, can you read the last one?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, ma. Welcome. You're welcome. Now, Adonia, can you read the Adonia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adonia, I'm waiting. Read the fourth sentence. Fourth one.
Don't like school.
My God, is it true, children? Children don't like school. True or false?
False, ma'am.
Yes, you all love to come to school. Even though if you don't like to study, you love to come. Okay. Okay, thank you, Adonia. Now, take care of your health, okay? Okay. Next one you see, B, just down. You do it, then I will ask you the answer, okay? You do, I'll give you 2 minutes. Circle the things you find in a school. In a school, what are the things you find? You circle it, then I will ask one by one the answer. Circle in your textbook. All must write the date just when you started, okay? Enjoy the poem there, you must write the date. Kevin, don't worry about it. You can ask in the office or you just search for the page somewhere else, it may be. Okay, Kevin, I'll inform. Circle the things you find in a school. You can do it by yourself. Now, Shashwada, can you tell me first one whether you find these things in the first one? Read first one.
Pencils.
Did you find this in school?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, thank you. Now, next one is Shama.
Welcome.
Can you find, okay, ma, okay, welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you find crayons in school, Shama?
Yes, ma'am.
You people, okay, that's right. Now, you can do it. Others, please observe the class and do it. Now, Shama is, Shaina.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you find ship in school? Ship. I'm not
No,
asking. No. Can you find notebooks, Shaina?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please circle it nicely. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shaina. Tanvi, can you find top? You know, please tell me the answer first. No. Listen, but some naughty children will bring that in the bag and play when ma'am is writing on the board. Yes or not, Tanvi? I have seen many children, but no, you actually, generally you don't find. Okay. Do you find bed in school? We are not talking about the sick room, that is different. In your classroom, in a school, okay. But then that is we are just talking about the classroom situation. Can you find glue? Tanvi, glue?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me. Yes, it's gum. Good. Now, can you find car in school? They are not telling that they're coming and leaving you and going on. That is different. Okay. Next person is Arush Botra. Can you find erasers in school? Erasers, Arush?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Yes, you will have it. You will bring 3 erasers, and when you go back, nothing will be there. You must have been playing with that and making it small or throwing somewhere. Someone will take. All this will happen in school because small children. Can you find scissors in school? Ahil, I want to see Ahil. Ahil, Akhil is not at all attending. Akhil. Okay, let me put one absent. Okay. Okay, now. Now, Alan.
Ma'am,
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am.
Yes. Are you keeping good health?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, just see whether you find scissors in school. They can be. Wait, I'll tell you. Yes. You know why? Okay, tell me, Alan. Okay, let me tell Alan. Do you find?
Scissors.
Yes, you will bring. You know why? It's you used to bring to do artwork, cutting things and yes or no, children? Yes or no, Alan? Yes. So you find all that. Thank you, Alan. Thank you so much. Okay.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Now see here. See. Okay, thank you, Alan. I want Akhilan. Akhilan, are you there, Akhilan? Akhilan? No, no, no. Okay. Akhilan and Akhil. Okay. Akhil used to come. I don't know what happened. Let it be. Now. 1 minute. Who's this?
I am Ashil, ma'am.
Akhil, what's happening to you, Akhil? Just now you joined. No, I will talk to you later, but listen now, Akhil. What happened last week?
I went to my grandma's house, ma'am.
Wherever you go, you must see how will you do the work. I was just going to tell Principal Ma'am about you. That's what I took attendance now. Okay, Akhil, please try to be present and complete the work. Okay, tell your mummy to help you seeing all the
Okay, ma'am.
recording. Okay, ma. Did you take page number 20 now? See?
I will do it, ma'am.
Okay, now see. Page number 20 you take and take for each word, write one rhyming word from the poem. Can you read the first word?
Yeah, already finished, ma'am.
Okay, you tell me now. I'm just doing it with other children. Pool. It's pool. What is the rhyming word for it? From the
Pool.
poem? Yeah, good. You have done because other class children must have done. Okay, thank you, Akhil. Try to be present. Wherever you go, you take your book and your laptop. Now, Anandit, can you tell me the answer for play? Okay, ma. Okay, Akhil, thank you. Play. Anandit,
Ma'am?
please tell me a rhyming word from the poem for play. Play, play.
Ma'am,
Yes?
I don't know, ma'am.
No. You can't say. Now, just take your poem. We love our school. Take your textbook. I'll teach you. Don't worry. Have you seen the third line play?
Yes, ma'am.
Underline that. Third line, last word. Now, take fourth line, last word. Take fourth line, last word. What is it?
Why?
Fourth line, last word. D-A-Y, day. Did you see? Fourth line, first paragraph.
Ma'am, I see, ma'am.
Now, not that I see, I saw. See, you can't say you don't know that means you are not attending the class. Now, please write day. Now, how you learned? Like that, you must learn. You must go back, see the poem and see. Now, thank you, Andit. Now, Archand, where is your brother? Archand, come. I want to ask you, I want you to tell a rhyming word for blue. Yes, blue. Take second paragraph, third line, last word. Blue. What is the rhyming word given over there? Another name for gum. What is it?
Blue gum.
Bubble gum. Glue gum, no. Instead of gum, you will use another word. GL. Read from the book. GL. UE. Have you seen the third line, second paragraph? Pencils and crayons, scissors and glue. You must be very, very attentive. GLUEU. Sorry, glue, not glue gum. Instead of gum, you use this word. This is the exact word. Now, okay, thank you. Ashwant P. Ashwant, read the fourth one. Fun. Find another word from the poem, rhyming word. Fun.
Enjoy, ma'am.
Huh?
Enjoy.
No, ma'am. Not the meaning. Rhyming word. Fun. So that un must come.
One.
See the third paragraph, third sentence, last word. What is it? FUN. What is the other word? Tell me. Ashwant. Ashwant, I want you to find out. I am telling you.
Fun gun.
See this child. 1 minute, child. Now, did you take We Love Our School poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Take the last paragraph. We write, we sing,
Write.
we sing,
Run,
we
run.
run. So that is the rhyming word over there. See, that means you are not attentive in class. Ashwant, you have to be attentive in class, Ashwant.
Yes, ma'am.
See now, okay, good, good. Okay, be attentive. Now 1 minute. Now 1 minute. D. Now turn the page. Sorry, they're down. Write the words for the short forms. Choose from the box. Certain things you are using the short form down. You have to use the full form now. Okay, wait. 1 minute. Now next child will be Cyrus. Cyrus, read the first word. Yeah, yes. Read the first word there. Down, down. Number 1.
You.
Yes, very good. You. What is the correct word? Full form of it. You. You must not say you have. You
Have.
have. Very good. You have. You have. Now, next one is, thank you, Cyrus. Ritik. Okay, Ritik.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read the second one. How it's written?
Isn't.
It's not. Yes. What is the full form of it?
Is not.
It's not. Very good. Now, next person is John Matthew. John Matthew. Read
Yes,
the
ma'am.
third one. Read the third one, John.
Didn't.
Didn't. Tell me the full form from the bracket.
Did not.
Did not. Very good, John. Now, next is Kevin. Kevin. Oh, Kevin, you don't have the page, Kevin.
Ma'am, I get it, ma'am.
But somewhere else it was there. No, by mistake, they would have pasted like that. Okay.
I wrote in the EVS note, ma'am.
You don't have the textbook, this exercise, you don't have English.
I have, ma'am.
Okay, number 4, you read from the screen. What's that?
I will.
I'll. No, don't say I will. It's written I'll go. You'll tell
I
will go.
will.
Yeah. What is the full form of it? I will. Okay. I will. Full form is I will. So for that, you are just putting the short form. Now, 1 minute. Please take this, children. We are going to do plurals. Don't worry. 2 minutes will take for it, okay? Because we didn't do this. Now, you add S or ES. Okay, now I'm not going to ask you. Have you seen these words in your book, textbook? Page 21.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write today's date after make many words by adding S or ES. Write today's date 10-8. Today's date. Now, bird. You get, what is the plural of bird? Wait, I'll ask Kushagra. Tell me the answer for the first one. Bird, plural.
Bird.
Just add S. Write it down fast. Right? Just 5 minutes I'll take, children. Okay. Now, Lokesh, second one, glass. Glass. Can you tell me the plural for it? Glass. Yes. You just see. Glasses. For glass, you have to add ES. Just look, parents don't teach them wrong answers. I heard that they were adding everywhere ES. That's wrong. The birds only ES. Glass ES. Okay. Now I want Mithilesh. Mithilesh, are you there? Mithilesh? Mithilesh also doesn't come. Mithilesh? Yes? Mithilesh? No. Are you there, Mithilesh? Naren, now please tell me plural of mango, Naren.
Yes,
Please tell me the spell. Mangoes. Tell. M-A-N. Tell Naren. M-A-N-G-O-E-S. Very good. E-S. Now, next one. Present.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the plural of church. Churches, not church. T-H-U-R. See there? C-H-E-S. Churches. Okay. Add E-S. Please write it down in your book. And your parents can correct it because we can't do it now. Okay, please do check all the 4. Next, don't worry, just 3 more minutes I'll take. Now I want Sachin S. Tell me the plural of tree. Yes. Nah, see, this is the mistake. Trees. Tree. Don't worry, you're too small. Trees. No trees. Tree only add S. One and many. Again, we'll teach you. Don't worry. In classwork, we'll give you correct explanation. Okay. Trees. Many trees. One is tree. Okay. Thank you, Sanjay Krishna. Bush. How will you get the plural of bush? Bushes. You add ES. Don't worry because you are just learning it. Bushes. Okay. Yeah. Now, Sanjeevan, tell me nut. What is the plural of nut? Should we add S or ES? Yes, tell me. Only yes. Yes, Sanjeevan. N-U-T-S. Okay. Nuts. Now, next one is Sanjit R.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the plural of nest? Nest.
Nestes, ma'am.
No, not nestes. Nest. You must tell N-E-S-T-S is nest. Okay. Nest. T-S. Nest. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Now, what I want is 1 minute. Now, everything we finished, children. Now, now you check your answers now. Please check your answers. Let me see. Children, check your answers. And now, okay, you can leave the classroom. Akhil, try to be attentive. Now, don't say anything. Listen to me. You can close. 1 minute. 1 minute. You can close the book. You can stop and leave the classroom. Leave the classroom. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.